What is up, guys? Call sign Spade here, and today I just want to do a review on on the cheapest red dot site I could find on Amazon that actually isn't made out of plastic. So there's not much to say about it. It's just a standard red dot site. It's not in the scope form or anything. A link to the product will be provided in the description below. So when you get the package, it's gonna have a barcode up here, but I peeled that off. It comes in this nice little box, right? It's made out of cardboard, but on top here it's got like this fox leather kind of stuff. It feels really nice. The bottom of the packaging says made in China. So the cheapest red dot site on Amazon that's made out of metal. Well, this is actually Amazon's choice for a red dot site, which is a bit unusual, and this only costs $15. So let's just get right into this, okay? So you lift off the lid, voila la la. So the first thing you get is this little instruction manual that kind of tells you about the whole site, how to use it, how to adjust it. Here's the other side of it, the instruction manual. My apologies if you cannot read that well. And then it comes with this little piece of cloth, which is used to clean the glass on the dot. And it comes in this little plastic case. You don't have to cut off a lid or anything. It already comes with it pretty much with an opening. And here's the cloth itself. It feels really nice. It feels like standard glass. It feels like standard glasses cleaning cloth, but it feels really nice. It is a little stretchy, and it fits into that plastic very well. The site does come with a spare battery, which it comes with like a second part to this, but I just cut it off and I keep the spare battery in this one. I already put the battery inside this one. It comes with an Allen key, two Allen keys actually. This is the bigger one, and the smaller one is in here. And the dot itself. But first, let's actually look at the packaging inside. It has this really nice foam. And you can take it out, you know, comes with the shape. And this is the bottom part of the foam. It's thin, but it's still pretty nice. It keeps the site nice and protected. Usually what I do is I keep the instruction manual for this, and I just put it on the bottom, then put the foam inside the box like that, and then put the other piece of foam on top of it, so the instructions is just out of the way. It's still nice to have them. And this is the site itself. It comes with a cover. Now you might notice the lens cover for mine has been cut out. That's for another video I'm going to do in the future. And here's the site itself. So it's made out of metal. I don't feel any plastic on it. It fits a standard picatinny rail. I use it on my AUG, and it fits quite nicely. So a lot of good reviews on this product. Some people actually have these on real, ARs and whatnot, which I imagine it would hold up nicely. The screws fit in nice and snug on my gun. And it has two screws. My bad. Two screws right here that fit the big Allen key. One of the screws runs across, the other one does not run across the rail. Instead, it just screws into the site itself. So, and in theory, I guess you could say it only holds up with one screw, but this screw does tighten down this rail right here, which the entire rail does come off. I'm not going to unscrew it for you, but I'm not sure what this small Allen key is for, because I don't see any small Allen key holes. I only see large Allen key pieces. So I guess if you were to disassemble the dot, then you might be able to use the small Allen key, just in case if there's something I can't see. So there is windage and elevation adjustment, as well as green and blue, not green and blue, my bad, green and red sight. I'm going to turn it on for you. It's probably the part you've been wanting to see. There's the dot. You do get different reticles for it. So you get this circle and a dot reticle. You get the crosshair reticle, and you get the other crosshair reticle. I'm not sure what that one is called. I don't know what any of these are called. I prefer the standard dot though. Turning it on to the green sight. This is on the lowest setting. Let me turn it up for you. Is that still good? Yep, okay, so this is the brightest the green one can go. So it does come with different brightnesses you can do, as well as different reticles. So what do I think of it? Well, I think this is a pretty well-made sight. It definitely beats the $60 plus range sights. It's probably just as good. I haven't had any problems with it. And if you're using it just for airsoft, this should be of no problem to use. However, I'm not sure how this would perform on an actual real steel rifle, but there are reviews on Amazon for this product that say that it works just fine. So there's not much else to say. I've used this plenty before, and I have only been pleased with it. There was one time where this little ridge right here started popping out, but I pushed it back in, and it hasn't came out since. So if you have any questions about this product, feel free to comment in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, and have a nice day.